How do you feel about TikTok being banned in the United States of America? How would you feel if TikTok was banned in the Philippines? So you agree that it's a security risk to the United States of America. Her daughter is just very pretty actually. She doesn't want to. She's very shy. Do you want to say hi? She don't. Come here. Okay, she has a pretty daughter. How old are you?
I'm 19, almost 20.
20. Single or
Single.
Okay, would you want a foreigner partner for your daughter or Filipino? How do you feel about TikTok being banned in the United States of America?
Ah, I think it affects the freedom of expression of some people resided or the residents of the United States, and also the communication and um, the dissemination of information across the whole world.
Are you using TikTok?
Yes,
Okay, how often?
almost every day. Like in my vacant time.
You're working, right?
Not yet. Actually, I'll be taking NCLEX
Okay.
also in US.
US,
Oo.
United States.
Yes.
Wow. And what job are you looking for,
Yeah.
what job you'll
Nurse. I'm a
nurse.
nurse.
You will be nurse in the United States, but right now you're just taking the exam to
I'll be taking sooner this year.
this year.
Probably pass.
Which what do you call states in the United States?
The New York City.
New York. Oh, wow.
NCLEX.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Are you single?
Yes.
You single? No boyfriend since birth?
I only one.
You had one. Would you date like a foreigner, like from?
Open.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, she's single. Okay. How old are you? Last question.
22 years old.
22 years old. Young and beautiful. And single, of course. How do you feel about TikTok being banned in the United States of America?
Right now, I feel sad
Why?
because I met my fiance in TikTok.
Oh, what country or what nationality?
He's an American.
Oh, he's American. Okay. So you're sad.
Yeah.
Well, I guess you should be happy because at least you found him, not like
Yeah.
not when you're single, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
He also said earlier he sent to me the screenshot that he can't open the TikTok.
Oh, he's in the US right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. How long have you been with sir?
2 years and 3 months.
And how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 44.
44 years old. That's beautiful. Okay, do you have like kids together? I'm being nosy now, sorry.
I have 2 daughters.
Two daughters. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, well,
My youngest.
yeah, her daughter is waiting. We want to interview her, but she's very shy. How would you feel if TikTok was banned in the Philippines?
I'm also feel sad if that is happen because me as a OFW, sometimes when I'm bored and sad, I always watch TikTok.
How often do you like use TikTok?
Uh,
Every day?
yeah, every day.
TikTok's live.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Most of my friend is from US too, with a foreigner husband and boyfriend.
Okay, so I guess they're the one who's really like the most affected right now.
Yeah.
Her daughter is just very pretty actually. She doesn't want to. She's very shy. Do you want to say hi? She don't. Come here. Okay, she has a pretty daughter. How old are you?
I'm 19, almost 20.
20. Single or?
Single.
Okay, would you want a foreigner partner for your daughter or Filipino?
Uh,
Depends on what.
supportive. Yeah,
Oh.
supportive. Mom,
Okay.
regardless of the, nationality.
Okay, so it could be Filipino or foreigner, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It will be fine.
Are you still studying right now or you're working?
I'm in college, second year college,
What course are you taking?
tourism management.
Tourism, beautiful. Oh well, since she's here, I want to ask her. I want to ask her. Okay, how about you? Okay, how do you feel about TikTok being banned in the United States of America?
It was awful because I used to watch different influencers from the US, and I also used to watch Filipino moms
vlogging, and that's why I feel sad. It's also it's also a work for them, like
Like a source of income for
source
them.
of income rather.
Do you think in USA, they made a big mistake by banning TikTok?
I don't think so because I'm not part of their
So you don't care, like
I don't care at all.
so it's fine as long as it doesn't affect me like that. Okay, you know that the reason why they ban what do you call this TikTok is because of security risk. Okay, to the United States of America. What's your opinion about that?
My opinion, it's good because they know how to protect their security from China. I don't know, but I guess yeah, it's good.
Okay. How about if it happens here in the Philippines? Like the Philippines will ban TikTok.
Um, it's terrible.
Terrible.
I used to use TikTok like dancing, having vlog,
Okay.
mini vlog.
My eldest daughter, she's waiting.
Oh, your eldest daughter. Okay.
Yeah.
She has a good genes.
Tomorrow is my flight going back to Taiwan.
Oh, you're going back to work. Okay, I see.
Vacation is over.
Vacation is over. Well, good luck and have a safe flight, mom. Thank you. How do you feel about TikTok being banned in the United States of America?
I feel sad. It is a mixed emotions, but I really understand why it is banned because if this the reason is for the security of others, I think if it is for the better po.
So you agree that it's a security risk to the United States of America.
Yes po.
How would you feel if TikTok was banned in the Philippines?
I think I will be sad because I also use TikTok app. Like I use it for my studies. Like if I don't know, like some medicines or some procedures, I watch a TikTok videos po. And also I use it. I dance and I sing. I use TikTok. Like it is a good entertainment also.
You're a nurse, right?
Yes po.
Okay, for how long have you been nurse? Because you look so young.
Yeah, 6 months pa lang.
6 months, newly hired. Well, congratulations. Okay, so what do you call? Do you think a lot of Filipinas would go crazy if TikTok was banned in the Philippines? Because knowing that, like our generation, a lot of us are really like hooked with TikTok.
I think yes po. Oh, especially teenagers. They usually love TikTok. And also they usually use it for the better naman po. Like to showcase their talents, to show their capabilities and also to share their like their learnings also.
How old are you?
I'm just 23 years old.
23 years old, nurse. And are you single or do you have like a boyfriend?
Single po.
Okay, how long have you been single?
Like a year na po.
A year.
I have a one boyfriend pero nag-break na po. Like matagal.
Okay. You just had one boyfriend, that's it. Okay. Are you looking for like a serious relationship?
No po.
No.
I just want to focus sa family and also sa career po.
That's beautiful. Well, anyway, you're still young. 23. Thank you so much for having this interview with us. We really appreciate it. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections